What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over some options on how to finish the arm bar from mount, something that I believe is very crucial and important for you guys to know. So I'm gonna show you some details on how to stop the guy from locking his hands and defending when you're working on the mount so that you guys can get the finish, okay? So let's dive right into this. Okay guys, so when we're going for the arm bar, I just finished stabilizing mount. I'm gonna post my hands on the mat above his head, not close to his head like this, because I don't want him to like loop around and try to wrap my arms, do overhooks or anything like that, okay? So my hands are gonna go above his head like this. My chest is gonna puff out nice and strong. My back is gonna go straight, so it's not round and bent like this. I want good pressure here, good control here, and my toes are in the mat with my heels next to his hips, okay? So what I'm gonna do first thing, when you guys just stabilize mount, the person's always gonna be bumping and bumping, and you don't wanna be posting your hands, trying to find your base and potentially lose the mount, okay? So I'm gonna send a signal to his mind by just simply taking my right hand and putting it inside to hold his collar, okay? Now I close my elbow and I'm gonna shift my hips off to one side. So my hips are gonna go to one side just a little bit, so that way my hips are not directly on top of Cody. Because if he bumps, he's gonna hit the air now, okay? If I'm in a straight line and my hips are on top of him, every time he bumps, I'm gonna fall and post, okay? I don't want that. So I wanna be like in control here, shift it off to the side a little bit, still a pressured mount, and my hand is in the collar with my elbow dropping down while I pull up on the collar, okay? So this here is gonna stop Cody from bumping a lot, and it's gonna make him go to defense mode because now he has to worry about the cross choke and all sorts of different attacks, okay? So now here, I'm pulling up on the collar, my elbow pressure is tight, I'm posting my hand where I can pivot and keep control. Now, I'm gonna slide my left knee all the way to his head until it touches his ear, okay? So I push off my right foot, I post on my hand, and I use my hip bone right here to scoop his arm up, okay? So I go like this. I move, pivot, pivot, pivot. Now I have him right here where you guys can see my knee is right next to his head, okay? Now, in this position, this is where the person starts grabbing his hands because he sees what you're gonna start to do and he tries to defend the arm bar, okay? So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go underneath his arm. I'm gonna grab his tricep and I'm gonna pull it tight, nice together like this. So now he's here, really tight, and it's harder for him to grab his hands and do this, okay? So I'm in this position, I go under, I grab the tricep, I pull it in tight, and now I have lots of space to circle my right leg and put my heel right in his armpit, okay? Now, what I'm doing here, I'm trying to touch my heel and my knee together, right? So I'm really clamping him in, and I'm not leaning back. I'm leaning a little bit forwards where I can lean in and sit on his chest, okay? So now, before I throw my leg over, I'm gonna step my left knee over his face like this and start pulling the wrist up, up, up like this. So now when I throw my left leg over his head, the arm is already straight, okay? It's easier for me now to fall back, finish. I can control two hands on his wrist, and I'm gonna move his hand towards the side where the elbow is on my hip bone. I make sure that the thumb is facing the roof, and now I lift my hip, pull down, and I finish the arm. Okay, so again, we'll start right here. I control, my hand goes inside the collar, I grab nice and tight, close my elbow, start pivoting, slide my right knee to his head, I scoop, other side of his tricep, pull it nice and tight. I'm gonna circle so my foot is all the way inside and I've clamped his hands together. Now I have time, I can readjust my other hand, scoop, slide my knee over his face. This is nice and tight here. I can finish right from here if I want. I pull it in, I hip in, go here. But let's say he starts moving, so I throw my right leg over, cross my feet, sit back, finish the arm bar. Okay? Let's take a look at this now from a few different angles. All right, guys, so I hope this helped finishing the armbar from mount. It's really important that you guys sit on the chest, you cross the arms, you make sure you have good clamping pressure with your feet, and then when you cross your legs and you throw it over, you connect so you can move around with the armbar and have tight pressure using your hips and your legs, okay? So in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do another option from finishing the armbar from mount. When the person comes into turtle, we're gonna fall forward with him and finish belly down so that we can extend the arm, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like this video, share it with your friends if it helps. I appreciate you, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.